y'all, welcome back to Our Hands, Our Homestead. This is gonna be probably one of the quickest videos y'all ever see. So yesterday, hubby took my lawnmower off for me and aired up the tires, and I cut a little bit of grass yesterday. Let me show y'all. I cut a little bit of grass yesterday, and then I got to the back over here. I got to the back over there, and the belt came off of my little lawnmower. The belt broke on this lawnmower. So hubby told me to wait, right? Because he said I might not could fix it. So this right here was like hanging down. So I basically just pushed it up and put it on this right here. And everything looks good under there to me. So I'm thinking maybe it's just too loose and it came off. I'm about to start it up to see if it works. And if it's working, I'm about to start cutting some more grass, y'all. It's windy. It's supposed to rain this evening. And I'm trying to get as much grass cut as possible because y'all know what our grass be looking like. I'm gonna do a little quick start. See if it's gonna cut this little grass right here. And I'm gonna show y'all what it's looking like. Look, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. So if it cut it, we in there. So this is the grass that I'm about to cut, just to see if it worked. And if it worked, I'm gonna call myself a small engine mechanic, because I did that. So let's see. All right, y'all, so we back in action. As y'all see, the belt just slipped off. I was able to put it back on. As of here on out, I'm a small engine mechanic. I was able to put the belt on, and the riding lawnmower is back working. So I'm gonna cut a little bit more today. Hopefully we can beat the rain and get some grass cut, and we will be good. But that's all I got for y'all today. I told y'all the video was gonna be super, super, super short. I just wanted to come on here and show y'all that, but stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see y'all later, y'all. Bye.